In this video, I'm going to show you how to recolor in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, select your image you would like to recolor. And when you do that, go down here to the bottom where you can see adjustments on the right-hand side inside the layers panel. And then here you want to click on recolor up top. When you do that, it's going to automatically put your image into a different color over here. And then you can just go ahead and set the hue over here. So up top, you can set the hue. You can set the saturation over here as well as your lightness, so we can put that on as well if you want to. And then you can also change the opacity, so how much you want it to actually take effect. And also you can change the blend mode too, in case you want to play around with this a bit more. There we go. I'm going to click on overlay, for example, and when you are happy, you can just click on merge, and it's going to merge it onto your image over here, and you've successfully recolored your image. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.